All right, mate. Let's look here. XMR. Now, XMR to me, it looks pretty good. I actually like this, and I thought I'd make a video on it because, well, you can see the funding here still negative, trying to push up. You can see that there is a bit of an angle here on a raise up here, and maybe we'll get that pop up to positive territory. Um, on top of that, obviously, we're green on the month, which is green on the 3-day and green on the day. There's quite a lot of green. The week green on the week, we've just flipped green on the week, which means we flipped green on the 2-week. So I like this here. I think this is very good. To me, it looks like it wants to push higher on this. Let's have a look at the monthly. Yeah, look, monthly here. Can we have a third month in a row to the upside? It's very possible. Um, I would probably suggest worst case scenario. It's a bit early to be calling this though. That there would be an inside bar month. That means that there wouldn't be that much upside, and then the next month would be huge. Like an inside bar kind of here. Do we have any more of them? Well, there's one here as well, actually. See these inside bars now. I don't know if we're going to have an inside bar. The only reason I'm saying that is we kind of are into a resistance point. Well, there's this pivot here. We're into this sort of pivot. I suppose we had that pivot back there. Let's just zoom in a little bit and have a look. Like if we were to have an inside bar here, there's only the start of the month. It means that we would do something like this and then we would explode. Um, at this point, I don't really think we're going to do that, but I just thought I would point it out. It looks like we're green here. Green on the month, green on the day, green on the 2-week, green on the week. Everything here says that it's still fairly strong and fairly good. As long as we can hold above today's lows, this is good, right? This is good and potentially powerful. I know we've moved quite a long way to the upside, but there's nothing to say that it can't move a bit more. Bullish funding, bullish RSI volume, looking okay. Bullish on the moving averages, bullish. At this point, I can't fault too much about this, and it looks good as long as we hold above today's lows.